We begin this edition of the news with these images right now on your screens. This is coming in of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah right now, who is visiting the India-Pakistan international border. This is Jammu's Makwal area, where he's also being briefed right now by the BSF ADG. As you can see on your screens, this particular insight is about a park tunnel, in fact, a park-operated tunnel module through which you usually have Pakistan that is pushing terrorists into the Indian territory. And he right now is being briefed specifically on that. Amit Shah, remember, is on a 3-day visit to Jammu and Kashmir. He's been in Srinagar all through yesterday. He spent the good part of the day today in Jammu, where he's addressed a rally. He's spoken to locals. He also visited a Gurdwara. Later, he interacted with community leaders. And right now, he is visiting the India-Pakistan international border in Jammu's Makwal area, and he's being briefed by the BSF officials, as you can see on your screens. He is also expected later to interact with more of the BSF Jawans. The BSF ADG has briefed the Home Minister also on the park-operated tunnel module through which you have Pakistan pushing its men. Gursimran tracking that story and different facets of it that you see on your screens right now. Gursimran, the very fact that you have the Home Minister at the IB, I think, is a strong enough message also going in to across the border, also to our forces. Okay, I think we'll just connect with Gursimran shortly. But right now, as I said, you're looking at this day that has spanned out for the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who is in Jammu today. Extreme right on your screens are images of the rally he had in Bhagwati Nagar earlier in Jammu. That was again, remember, a packed house where you've seen and heard the Union Home Minister making some very, very important points about how the people in Jammu should not and will not feel sidelined. A sentiment again and again that has been nursed over the last many years, but New Delhi now trying to change things. In the center of your screens is the moment where the Home Minister interacted with more community leaders earlier. And on the extreme left, just moments earlier, when the Union Home Minister Amit Shah was at the international border in Jammu. This is the Markwal area, to be very specific. Gursimran is also now with us. Let's quickly take it across to him, Gursimran. Union Home Minister at the IB trying to understand and, specifically getting an insight into how Pakistan uses its modules to send terrorists through these tunnels. I think that's a message not just to people across the border who will be watching this visit very closely, but also to our forces, that you have the country right now standing with them.
Yes, the first visuals that have been accessed by the Republic Media Network, Amit Shah, wherein he's interacting with senior officials of the Border Security Force as well as the Jawans of the Border Security Force. He's also reviewing the situation along the international border. He's been briefed by ADG vessel of the Border Security Force about threats from the Pakistan, that how Pakistan is using terrorists as well as drones to drop up to the Indian. And he was with the commanders of the Border Security Force, Union Home Minister. He lauded their efforts, the efforts that are being made to maintain the integrity and sovereignty of Mother India. And he also hailed those who have been trying hard to vitiate, to destabilize and decimate the terror infrastructure, as this is one of the main areas where Pakistan is trying to form in trouble. We have seen multiple attempts being made by Pakistan to push in terrorists as well as drop weapons into the Indian territory from this very area. Even we saw some of the tunnels being digged by Pakistan in past 1 year. There was some really desperate attempts from Pakistan, almost 4 to Pakistan. They were foiled by the alert troops of the Border Security Force. This came as a surprise to the BSF troops on ground because they weren't expecting Union Home Minister visiting them and cheering them. But this is something they will always be remembered, and this will be a morale booster for them because they don't see day in, day out. They have been working tirelessly 24/7 to decimate the terror infrastructure of Pakistan and to foil any nefarious design of Pakistan. So these visuals that are exclusively accessed by the Public Media Network from the site where Union Home Minister is reviewing the operation about the 34 measures that are being taken. They show that how Union Home Minister, he is leading from the front. He has made it very clear that the Union government stand by the forces, and there is no chance of Pakistan fomenting trouble into J&K as the government stand with the forces.
Yes, Gursimran, why don't you hold that phone line? Because I think you outlined a lot of important points. Amit Shah also expected to meet with the BSF Jawans shortly, and we'll talk about that in just a bit. But this is him earlier speaking at a rally in Jammu, where he again speaks on why there was this very, very strong need and an urge for the abrogation of Article 370.
मित्रों, 5 अगस्त 2019 को मोदी जी ने एक ऐतिहासिक निर्णय किया। सालों से एक अन्यायी धारा को खत्म किया, 370 और 35 से हटी और जम्मू और कश्मीर के लाखों नागरिकों को अपने अधिकार प्राप्त हुए। भाई मनोज सिन्हा ने कहा, पहले मेरे सिख भाइयों को, खत्रियों को, महाजनों को भूमि खरीदने का अधिकार नहीं था। जो शरणार्थी वहां से यहां आए थे, उनके अधिकार नहीं थे। वाल्मीकि भाई के अधिकार नहीं थे। मेरे गुर्जर भाइयों को रिजर्वेशन नहीं मिलता था। पहाड़ियों को रिजर्वेशन नहीं मिलता था। मिलता था क्या? मिलता था। किसी को डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। भारत के संविधान के सारे अधिकार मेरे गुर्जर भाइयों और पहाड़ियों को मिलने वाले हैं, कोई रोक नहीं सकता। महिलाओं को, अधिकारों को रोक रखा, इसको भी मोदी जी ने एक साथ लिया। श्रमिकों के हितों की रक्षा के लिए मिनिमम वेज एक्ट को लागू किया, सफाई कर्मचारी एक्ट को लागू किया, दलितों के और ट्राइबल पर के अधिकारों के लिए, उनके हितों की रक्षा के लिए, अत्याचार रोकने के लिए सख्त कानून लाए। जो मेरे आदिवासी भाई जंगल के अंदर रह रहे हैं, उनको जमीन के पट्टे का अधिकार भी ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार ने